The other one is, how is our data protected when we use AI pricing? I think if you look at the deployment of AI models, right? To say it in such a way, there are a couple of ways to go about it, right? So we all know, if you use the free version of, for instance, ChatGPT, if you don't have to pay for it, you are the product, right? That's the general consensus there. So what it means, like, if you put your questions in a general AI, where you don't pay for, then that data is also used as training data, right? There are also licenses that you can buy, that you can incorporate large language models in your environment, where you can protect your own data and data set. Next to that, we see also an increase in models that are deployed in the open source environment. In the open source, you can just download, for instance, the complete model and run them on premise. So meaning that it is, for instance, not completely run in the cloud. So the approach and the way you do it, it depends on your organization, but it can be, of course, completely safe and that your data is completely secured. It really depends on your approach, which types of models you use, and what, of course, is your company policy. But there is a possibility to do that in a secured environment, and that you are not vulnerable with the data that you process through an LLM or a different type of model.